Hi everybody, it's your favorite neighborhood craft lady, Rexi Davis over here. I've got another one for you sweethearts. We did that vase the other day. Well, now we're gonna do an artificial flower that you can put in it. We're gonna make this one with a ping pong ball. We're gonna make a rose for love. We're gonna make little hearts to go on it. We're gonna make pink and red and some green. Our pink construction paper and get a pair of scissors. We're gonna make different sizes. So we're gonna start with pink ones. Fold a little piece of our pink construction paper and get a pair of scissors. And we're just gonna cut out kind of like a C on the side, like this, but with a little tip at the end. And look at that, it makes a perfect little heart. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, did everyone guess what the green ones are for? That's right, they're for the leaves. I like these colors for Valentine's Day, for love. I got my trusty glue gun from the dollar store. First, I'm gonna put a big old glob of glue in the center.
So this is like the center of the rose.
And then your petals are going to start opening up. So when I go to the red, I start turning them over. See there? And curling them out. Now we're going to do the stem. I have a chopstick here. You can use any stick you want. I'm going to paint mine green.
I'm going to put a big blob on the end here. It's not very heavy because it's made with a ping pong ball. It's going to look so pretty in our vase that we made the other day. Oh my gosh, you're going to love it.
Okay, then we can start gluing on our leaves.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
And look, here's our vase from the other day.
Isn't that beautiful?
And there's a Valentine's Day craft for you, a rose and a Valentine's vase.
Happy Valentine's Day, you sweeties. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like me.